Hey, where you taking motor?
Please don't waste my time. Just remove the bar.
Hayi, amphoyisa, ufuna ukusesha vula imoto.
You are wasting my time.
Boza, vula.
I'm in a hurry and I have to go.
Funa ngiseshe, ngiyasebenza nami. Vula la, open.
You want me to open the boot? There's nothing in there. Please let me go.
Vula la.
You see, there's nothing in there. Are you mad?
Wena umedi, ngeke udlwe la. Ungayenza into ekutshela yona. Vula la.
You want me to open the boot? There's nothing in there. Please let me go.
Hey, I search your car. Amphoyisa here. Even boss, I search car by Steven.
You want me to open the boot? See? There's nothing in there.
Abu. Dikutshenile lokho, huh?
You are wasting my time. Please let me go.
Hawu. Uyatshontsha, uyisala. Utshontsha insizwa belungishisa. Ha, put him down. Hey, beke phansi, put him down. Okay. Ngiyabuya sophela ucingo. Hallo, Mkhize Spirit. You must give me this. Hey! Hawu, yebo. Hawu, zabithi mzabelo ngiduma. Hawu.